Today we're gonna make this delicious Christmas white chocolate pretzel bark. Christmas bark is always a popular one at Christmas time. So we're gonna mix up today one with white chocolate and pretzels. So I'm gonna start with 1 bag of white chocolate. And I'm gonna melt this in the microwave. So I have here 1½ cups of broken pretzels. I have some dried cranberries and some sprinkles and caramel sauce. So we've melted our white chocolate and now I'm gonna stir in our crushed up pretzels. Coat them with the white chocolate. And I'm gonna stir in our craisins, our dried cranberries. And now I'm gonna take this mixture with a lined parchment paper, baking sheet. I'm gonna spread it out. I mean, you're not gonna get it evenly on this, but once this dries, we wanna break it apart like bark anyway, so it doesn't really matter if it's an even spread all over the baking sheet. So I'm gonna scrape this down here. I'm gonna take the spatula and spread this out. Next, we're gonna take some caramel sauce, just drizzle it all over our pretzel and chocolate mixture. And then we have some festive green and red sprinkles. And we're gonna put this out. We're gonna put this to cool for about an hour. We want this to get nice and hard before we break it apart for a delicious sweet treat. So now that our bark is nice and hard, look at this. I'm gonna break it apart in uneven pieces. We're gonna place it on this platter to display. This is a great treat when people are coming over, or you could bag this up and give it as a great holiday gift. That caramel sauce looks amazing on it. It's gonna give it nice flavor, some festive sprinkles, and this is all set. For the full recipe, visit nikkigleckis.com. I hope you guys have a great holiday season, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram for more holiday entertaining tips.